Show me what you have, Abby.
I have a froggy.
Can I see it? Little baby one?
Hmm. It's a baby.
Are you very gentle with it?
Hmm. He doesn't like it often. Oh!
Jonathan, what does Abby have? What does Abby have?
Tree frog.
A tree frog?
Tree frog. No, this is a toad. Little baby tiny toad.
Oh, that was so nice. You love it?
Ow.
Jonathan, don't do that. Are you okay? You okay, Abby? What did you do, Jonathan? What happened? Did you bump your head?
Did
You bump your head?